Hi everyone. So today we're going to discuss about and learn about 10 new grammar patterns that are included in the N4 level of Japanese language, and I'll be learning it with you all. I have actually noted it down in my notes, and I have noted down the grammar pattern, its meaning, and one sentence related to that pattern. So we will talk about those patterns. There are 10 patterns in total, and I'm actually revising all the patterns and learning it with you all. So let's start with the first pattern. Before that, I want you all to subscribe to this channel because I never say it in my videos, but just subscribe to this channel and share your thoughts and watch out my other videos also. Now let's start with the first pattern, that is mitai des. So the first grammar pattern that we are going to talk about is mitai des. It means looks like. For example, Ohimi sama mitai des. You look like a princess. Also, mitai des is used when there is a noun before mitai. So noun plus mitai des. That is how I'll remember it. I'll remember it by the example sentence, that is O himi sama mitai des. You look like a princess. That is something, that's how I'll remember that this noun by, sorry, this grammar pattern by. The second grammar pattern is so this. It also means looks like, but it is used after an adjective. So for example, ureshi so this. It means they look happy. So this is how I actually remember the grammar patterns by remembering one example sentence, and just remembering what the grammar pattern looks like in Romaji. So that is something strange, but it helps me remember the grammar pattern. Also, so this is used after the verb when the verb is in mass form. So you actually drop the mass and add so this. So verb plus mass plus so this. So mass actually gets dropped. So it is only verb plus so this. The third pattern is going to be dasodes. It means I heard, or apparently, like apparently I heard that he is quitting his job, or apparently, like I don't know exactly, but apparently maybe this is something that I heard. Like we call it dasodes. The example sentence for it is going to be Tanaka-san wa shikoto o yameru so desu. It means I heard Mr. Tanaka is quitting. So actually da so desu is very confusing with so desu. So I'm going to remember it with this this example pattern. The fourth pattern is going to be yo desu. It means seems like. For example, Kyou no tenki wa natsu no you desu. It means it feels like summer. So it seems like or it feels like is used. Sorry. So yo desu means it seems like or it feels like. So it feels like summer. So for example, Kyou no tenki wa natsu no you desu. This example I'm going to remember. So I will just say it without looking at it. Kyou no tenki wa natsu no so desu. Kyou no tenki wa natsu no so desu. The fifth grammar pattern is going to be haji. This is one of my favorite. It means should be or supposed to be. For example, Koncho no getsuyobi wa yasumi no haji desu. This Monday is supposed to be a day off. So actually haji is very easy to remember because it actually sounds different and it also means different obviously. But there is something about Haji that makes it easier to remember and stuff. So, Konshu no Getsu yobi wa Yasumi no Haji desu. This Monday is supposed to be a day off. That is the example sentence to remember. The sixth pattern is going to be kamoshirenai. It means probably. Now, I might get confused between probably and seems like yo this and kamoshirenai. I might get confused between it. So I need to figure out a difference between it. Kamoshirenai is probably okay, and okay. Yo this is feels like. It feels like summer, and kamoshirenai is probably. So jutai de aren san ga okureru kamoshirenai desu, will be probably late because of traffic. I have to remember this off camera because it's a bit difficult for me to remember kamoshirenai one. The seventh pattern is going to be ageru. It is very easy. Agemas is to give, and ageru is also to give, just it's not the mass form. So ageru, for example, hana o imoto ni ageru. I think imoto means little sister. I'm not sure, but I think it means little sister or little brother. I have to recall this. I think it means little sister or little brother. I don't know. I have to recall it. I will give flowers to my whatever little sister or little brother. Imoto. I think it's little brother. I don't know. The eighth pattern is going to be kureru. It means to give, but to me. So ageru is to give to someone, like someone is giving something to someone, and or I will give something to someone. It means ageru. And kureru means someone is giving something to me. Someone gave something to me. That means kureru. For example, tomodachi ga watashi ni hana o kureta. My friend gave me flowers. Hana o kureta. Okay. The ninth pattern is morau. It means to receive something from someone. For example, tomodachi ni hana o morauta. It means I received flowers from my friend. Tomodachi ni, it means from my friend. So from means ni here. This is something to remember. And the 10th pattern is going to be te ageru. It means to do something for someone. For example, tomodachi ni ryori shite ageru. It means I will cook for my friend. This was the 10th pattern. I think the last 4 patterns are very easy to remember, and yeah, that was it. The only difficult part of this grammar series, sorry, this grammar video was the probably one, like kamoshirenai one. So that is something that I will have to remember, and I will have to recall the meaning of imoto. If you all know, please write it in the comments. Otherwise, I'll go and revise. So I hope you all like this video, and share your thoughts on this video. Subscribe, share, whatever. You know what to do. So meet you in the next video.